Scary stuff today. We got Darth Vader and the Empire Strikes Back Series 3-pack. That's pretty cool right there. Let's take it out. Let's be very careful with it. Let's check out our gum. Nice good gum specimen. We like a good gum specimen. That's like mint condition gum. I'm going to get that graded. Landro's Warm Reception. Tomorrow. Flight of the X-Wing. There's the back of the cards. More full color backs. Those are pretty cool. We like those. Lucas Stride Tauntaun. 121B. Old friends or foes. Pretty scary stuff. Like I said, it's very, I don't know if you're 4, it's kind of scary. There's our sticker right there. We got Darth. We got Han Solo. We got Launching an X-Wing. Canyons of Death. Pretty neat. And then we got the Beauty of Bespin space painting. Pretty cool.